of the students that are absent today or excused for this class. So before we proceed to our proper discussion, let's have a quick review of our topic yesterday. So we kind of discussed na concepts si Ma'am Sarina yesterday that will be useful in today's discussion. So let's have a quick recap of our discussion yesterday and dapat mga concepts na hindi na to na review. So first is, I want somebody to answer this one. What is the definition of an tangent? Anyone? Very good. So, what is the definition of a secant? Wait, thank you, that's correct. And another is, what is the definition of an intercepted arc? So, okay?
Intercepted arc. An arc that lies in the interior of an inscribed angle and has endpoints to the angle.
Okay, thank you. And another is, what is the definition of an exterior angle? Okay, everybody. So please stand.
Measurement outside of a circle.
That's right. So the following concepts na upon your review today or before the discussion will be useful throughout the discussion. So in order to have a goal-oriented discussion, guided ka kung saan yung kailangan na learn na skills and competencies for today's discussion, we will have a learning objectives. So I want everybody to please read the following learning objectives.
Identify the geometrical terms in establishing the conditions for theorems 11, 12, and 13. Apply the theorems related to exterior angles formed by secants and tangents, specifically theorems 11, 12, and 13. Solve for the measurements of exterior angles formed by secants and tangents, and show creativity in finding the missing measurements in a given diagram.
So now that we have already read our learning objectives for today, and we will be guided by the following learning objectives throughout the discussion. So let's have an activity. So for our activity today, our activity is called group, think, and solve. So direction, work together with your pair. So pair is pwede na seatmate na ninyo, pinakadool, para dali lang ma-warm up. Which is your seatmate, and if one of you has strong pair, diba 49 ang mga buhok. So ang katong isa, then you can join any pair to work as a group of three. So I want everybody to please look out for your pairs. Sagit ka lang. Basta ka nandoon lang. Okay, I want everybody to please find your pair. Nandoon lang yung para dali na tayo. Basta isa lang katulong ha. Katulong. Okay. Para 23 sa 54. Ang 54 katulong. Okay, faster, everybody. Okay na. So, for this activity, observe the following figures and refer also to the corresponding table. So, I will be giving you the following worksheet para na ng activity and namin makita rin ang figures and table. So, observe the patterns based on the following diagrams and its measurement. Find the measure of the missing parts and ay ka mo ka-confused kung hindi na siya na mag-observe. number 1 and number 2, which is nasa ka may values, di ba? So that will be useful para ma-observe ninyo ano di ay nga if ang measure anin na diri as a measure of RAC is kana po y kana measurement niya. Kung tinana siya yung relationship, hindi niyo ma-figure out, but it's up to you sa inyong pair and ganun sa inyong grupo. So ay ganun ka confused because the concept na ma-generate ninyo or ideas na ma-generate ninyo out of this activity, we will try to connect them sa concept I learned ato today. So ikaw mo kabahala kay hindi naman siya. Okay? Doon yun. Sige. So, distribute na tanan. So, wala. Tina. So, timer starts now. So, I will give you just 5 minutes. Ano ka bahala? Just figure out yung authentic ideas. So, items number 1 and 2 will be useful as kanang observation ninyo. Observe ninyo ang item 1 and 2. Tanawa lang sa ninyo. Ano siya? Don't worry, if you didn't tayo ng figure out to multiply, activity mo sa ninyo. And I just want you to bring up your curiosity and observation. Dili na, measure lang din. Pwede na dala sa space or item. Pwede ba yung So, 3 minutes left. Answers, pwede rin yung isulat sa pwede measure lang. Sa kanang space na per item kayo, ako niya. Last 2 minutes. Apa na sa item? Measure, pwede na measure lang yung ikot lang. Okay ka na lang. Pwede lang ito. Last 1 minute. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So please submit your papers in front. Sa nakaya lang yung answer. Sige lang. Pasok na. Sige lang. children. So, for this activity, may ask a volunteer. So, okay, how did you find the activity? Is it challenging?
So difficult. Because for me, actually it's challenging as well as it's difficult for me. Because I can, hindi kayo lang kung mag-podcast. Hindi ka na tayo
Okay, that's right. There's a tool for the community. Wala ko man na-introduce kung saan yung dapat ganito natin. So, may I ask anyone, if naman mo na-observe or any observation, sa isa lang, ikaw na.
Observe na ako sir na pagkuha sa exterior angle sir guys. Like, tayo sila yung mga ng exterior angle sir para makuha ng pinakata po. Example na number 1 sir, kaya na 15 lang sir no, 15 times 2 plus 50 lang sir, about meters sa pinakata po.
Sir.
Observation. Another. Yes, please. Okay, very good. So, what about skin? Kailangan yung iba kayo. Kailangan yung mga which is useful kayo siya. Okay, ano yung definition, the figures, and examples. So, kailangan nyo yung make use in your handouts now. So, nice yung observation. So, anyone, last one yun. Stop. Observe yun yung effective. Tama, yung observation. Another? Wala na. So, thank you guys and your participation for today's activity. So now, let's proceed to our topic for today. So, exterior angles formed by two secants, a secant and a tangent, and two tangents from a circle, which is from appearance 11, 12, and 13. So, tama na siya niya nga. 11 ang gigamit na to. So, good observation. So, yesterday, remember mo sa we discussed yesterday. It's all about interior angles formed by intersection of okay, so very good. So, our lesson is still connected sa kato na concepts, but it's quite different because exterior angles ang form based ato sa akong activity nag-intersect ang following seconds, yung mga seconds outside the circle, right? And it forms an exterior angle. So for this discussion, I want everybody to refer to your handout throughout the discussion. Okay, useful yun na siya. So we have here the example 1. Given the figure below, find the measure of angle YPX. So can you locate asa the angle YPX? So angle YPX is formed by two intersecting secant lines. So asa the secant line? That's right. So we have two intersecting secants, which is secant line YP and XP. And it also intersects two intersected arcs, which is arc XY and arc MN. So, term 11 states that if two secants intersect with the exterior of a circle, then the measure of the angle formed is one half the positive difference of the intersected arcs. So, what do you mean by positive difference? So, positive to the answer kay wala may negative na measurement sa mga angles and arcs. So, let's proceed. So, I want everybody to remember our objectives. Una is to identify the geometrical terms, apply the terms related to exterior angles, tapos solve for the measurement. So, the following objectives will be our guide in solving these examples. Una is to identify geometrical terms or conditions na need na ito ma-establish. So, for this example, we need to establish that secant YP and secant XP intersects at point P. So, si point P is located outside the circle, right? Yes. So, nakaform siya of exterior angle YPX that also intersects two arcs. So, arc X, Y, and M. So, based po dira sa given is greater than good, mas na po using a measure of arc X, Y kaysa kay and naroon tayo given. So, na-achieve na nato itong una na kailangan nato i-identify ang locations na hindi nato establish. So, what's next is to determine kung saan yung theorem ito gamiton. Theorem 11, tungod kay ang nag-intersect is two secants intersect. So, if two secants intersect at an exterior point outside the circle, kung saan gamiton? Good. So, now let's proceed to the solving part. So, angle YPX is equal to 1/2 based on the description of theorem, and let's just substitute the following values. So 80 minus 30 degree. Okay, almost on given. So let's subtract that one. We have 50. And 1/2 of 50 degrees is equal to 25 degrees. So, so for this figure, the measure of angle YPX is equal to 25. So let's proceed to the next example. Given the figure, find the measure of angle C and L. So, asa mo na ang angle C and L? So, unsa ang nag-intersect ang mga lines para makaform na So, unsa man na si L and M? Si CM. So, that's determine if unsa yung process. First, let's establish the conditions needed para magulot ako sa computer ng input. So we have here tangent line LL and secant line CM intersects at point M. So exterior angle gabon siya ang forming an exterior angle CML. So angle CML intersects two arcs, which is the arc LEC and arc LG, where the measurement of arc LEC is equal to 80 Mandarano, so greater than the measurement of arc LG, which is equal to 20 degrees. So let's proceed. Kung saan itong term na kailangan na ito? So why amito na ito ka so awan na please refer to your handouts and read your right film.
And the tangent intersects in the exterior of a circle, then the measure of the angle formed is 1/2 the positive difference of the measures of the intersected parts.
So sa'yo lang yapon no, 1/2 of the positive difference sa iyang intercepted arcs, but what's different is ang following lines nga nag-intersect. Okay, katong kainan, wala to kasi karon is that's right. So remember, it's tangent and secant. Sa gamiton? So next, let's proceed with the solving part. So we have here the measurement of angle C and L is equal to 1/2. And substitute na natin measurement ng arc LEC as the measurement of arc LG. So 80 minus 20 kilaman? 60. And 1/2 of 60 is 30 degrees. So mas ko sa bagay ta? Yes! Masagot ba? Yes! So let's proceed to example B. So given the figure, find the measurement of angle KQH. So asa mo na si KQH? So now let's identify the following conditions for each of those establish. So more than atong ganito lang. So one of the conditions. So tangent line KQ and HQ intersects at point Q, forming an exterior angle KQH. So ang iyang intercepted arcs are the following arcs, which is H, GK, and HK. So malaki ito ninyo? Yes. So, oil naman yun na nasa color blue and red kay para mas nako ang pati. Muna na kung angal. So, your measurement of R, 36, regular measurement of your thing. Kita mo sa given measurement which is natin ay 130. So, kung saan gamito na to? So, I want everybody to please read your study.
If two tangents intersect in the exterior of a circle, then the measure of the angle formed is 1/2 the positive difference of the measures of the intersected arcs.
So, saan yung na-notice? Same nung yapon, di ba? 1/2 of the positive difference between the intersected arcs. However, kung saan yung kalahian? Duwa ang very good. So, sa ganito, if you're 11, o sa ganito, if 12, you're 12. So, Carol, so I want everybody to please remember that. And let's proceed to our solving part. So, measurement of angle AQH, intersection mo na siya sa mga angle, equal to 1/2. Measure of HDK is 100, and measurement of RHK is equal to 30. So, subtract na nato siya, equal siya to 70. 1/2 of 70 degrees is equal to 35. So, nakuha ba ninyo? Same na ang process, but ang gamitan ng theorem is different. Nag-depend siya kung sa mga lines ang intersect. That's right. However, tila ta mag-focus if a missing value is ang angle. May instances or situations na ang missing is arcs. So, saan mo na siya?
Multiply by 2.
Okay, let's figure out this. So, first is, we need to establish the following conditions. Kaya pag muna na itong kailangan na ito unahon, di ba? Establish the condition. So, we have here tangent line KQ and HQ, intersects at point Q. Forming an exterior angle KQH. So, you make use mo itong diagram ngayon na para ma-check na kung magawas mo itong measurement. Wala itong given sa kuan, sa R. 100. So, need na to na mapagawas pero na example kayo. Diri missing siya diri So, same na yapon na itong gamiton. Class, so, we can use term 13. However, in the solving process is different. So, kailangan naman na mag-observe mo niya. So, by substitution. So, given naman ato ang angle K2H, measurement of angle K2H, so, ako lang siya i-substitute. 35 degrees is equal to 1/2. Tapos, missing naman ang value ni measurement of arc HDK. So, as is man sana siya draa. Kaya na mo solve minus the given measurement of arc HK. So, which is 30 degrees. So, what's the next step na karon? So, by addition property of equality, we just need to add 15 degrees on both sides para cancel out na ito siya or para i-transpose na ito. So, muna natin 35 plus 15 na ito na degree. Tama ba? So, 35 plus 15 is equal to 1/2 measurement of HDK. So, dapat may 1/2 dila. Ang sao mo na ito na mag-eliminate. Pwede na ito siya i-divide by 2 or multiply. Ay, divide na ito siya by 2 or multiply. So 2 times 50 degrees is equal to 100. So, 1/2 measurement of RHDK multiplied by 2. So, makancel na ng 1/2 nila. So, we have here measurement of RHDK. So, nakuha na ito, no? Ilan ito yung given na? So, sequencean na ba siya? Yes. Okay, very good. So, nakapalo, banda na namin mga questions. 15. Ay! Dapat i-distribute sa natin siya 1/2 sabi, 1/2 of 30 degrees is 50. Okay, good. Good question. So, okay, pas-pas na dito. So, distribute na natin siya 1/2 sabi. Tapos, sabi na bawat side, which is negative, and 1/2 of 30 degrees is 50. Buha. Okay. Any questions? Yes. if one, wala pa siya variable, just this and such as variables, and the measurement of our HDK because this is siya. So, nakasabot ba ka na? So, very good. So now, let's proceed to another thing. So, work with your pairs. Sino gusto pwede po ano? More observation. So, listen sa akin, magkatagong direction. So, work with your pair and refer to the figure presented below. So, establish the conditions needed. So, pag-make use ng mga sa objectives, which is, una is identify the conditions. Doon, apply sa theory gamiton. Then, solve. So, understood ba? Everyone? Sige. So now, let's do this. Identify. Una, sa ganito. Identify. Establish na ito. Then, dalawa is apply. Last is ang nakabutang dito is S20. So, ano na Tungkol dito sa donation, kasi namin mga kalimutan Mano, ang sabi mo naman, okay, so all papers are dito na. So thank you guys sa inyong mag-participate for activity. And for our assignment, so our assignment, please watch the video about angles ko by course, Siga, Kandil, and Roberta. Sa last part na mga review. So sa let's go na part na review. The last part of the video and write in a one whole sheet of paper. So, kamusta man? Kasabot na na? Okay, so thank you Raya for listening our discussion today. So I hope that namin na-learn and you can to our concepts and about